Motherfucker ain't got no seatbelt, does it? Oh yeah, up there it comes down. Slow down. Yeah, it's recording. Fuck that nigga, he a bitch for going backwards. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me. This is our first run of the day. It is 11:55. My first time skiing, and these are not bunny slopes.
Nah, this is right here, this is what we're talking about.
This is the bust ass section. Yeah, so shit sucks. Dreams are made of, ladies and gentlemen. It's a dream. Alright, no, that's how I gotta do it right there. Yeah. Lean with it, rock with it. Alright, we're doing one last checklist while we're up in the air.
We're gonna come out
busting ass and hauling ass. Dude, where the fuck are we going?
all the way to the top. I think we got the wrong one, though.
Dude, this is the wrong one. Motherfucker.
Every time, baby, every time.
It happens to you, or you do it on purpose?
Man, it just happens.
Alright, Suits fucked me. He fucked me good. We are going up to like the blue and black fucking slopes. First time skiing, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So, this shit sucks. Balls. Donkey balls. Big balls.